Hello there, everyone. This is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. We are here to discuss an exercise on types of adjectives. So, here goes the sentence. Which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives? I would like three good reasons why you don't like spinning. Okay, let's go through the other two. I would like a good three reasons. No, a good three reasons. This portion is wrong, so we are omitting it. I would like good reasons. Next is yeah, I would like good reasons three. Good reasons three. This is not proper grammar used. So I would like three good reasons why you don't like spinning. This one would be the perfect one. Fourth one, which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives? I like that really big red old antique tractor in the museum. A big red old. Now, this won't go. Um, B. I like that really big old red antique tractor in the museum. Let's go through the C option also. I like that old red, really big antique tractor in the museum. Yeah, this is the correct way of writing old, comma, red, comma, really big antique tractor. Okay, so this is the perfect way of writing this sentence. Fifth one. Which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives? My brother rode a beautiful big black Frisian horse in the parade. My brother rode a beautiful Frisian big black horse in the parade. My brother rode a big black beautiful Frisian horse in the parrot. Okay, it's horse. I was pronouncing it wrong. Anyway, so yeah, we're going with option C as the correct option. Okay, next. For each of the following sentences, choose the correct order of the adjectives to fill in the blanks. So, my grandmother lives in the dash house on the corner. Little blue, green, and white house on the corner. Okay, that would be the perfect one. Uh, No, just a moment. There is this first option also. Okay, over here the first one will go because little blue after little there shouldn't have been this comma. Okay, so go with the first one, little blue, green, and white house on the corner. Okay, moving over to the next question. The store carries an assortment of dash objects. Interesting, new, old, and antique objects. Interesting, old, and new. Um, go with the very first one. Interesting, new, old, and antique. So, as we are going towards the end of the sentence, we are going towards the older words. Antique means old. Old obviously means older stuff. So, definitely, we are going to put the recent word at like in the very first position. So, interesting, new, old, and antique objects. We went for a 2-week cruise on a Dash ocean liner on a on a incredible brand new huge Italian ocean liner. Yeah, this one would go. Okay. Incredible brand new huge Italian ocean liner. Okay, go with this one. Next, for each of the following sentences, choose the correct order of adjectives to fill in the blank. I bought an I bought a pair of dash boots. Nice new red rain boots, okay? Nice new red rain boots. My dad was thrilled with his gift of dash booties for his clown act. Uh, booties. 3 polka-dotted nice new squirting booties for his clown act. My dad was thrilled with his gift of three polka dotted nice new squirting booties for his clown act. Please put the marbles into that dash box, into that little old round red box. For each of the following sentences, choose the correct order of adjectives to fill in the blank. I was surprised to receive a dash puppy for my birthday. Cute little 8-week old golden retriever puppy for my birthday. Our work uniform consists of black pants, black shoes, and a big baggy yellow polo shirt. Okay? I have been spending a lot of time in antique shops looking for the perfect little silver a little silver Italian cuckoo clock. Okay, the first one will go. Which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives out of the three? Our grandparents drive a motor home with black and white stripes. Our grandparents drive a motor home with white stripes. No, both times they have used with. Our grandparents drive a motor home with black white stripes. This would be the very first one, that is, our grandparents drive a motor home with black and white stripes. Okay. Next, 10th one. Our grandparents drive a motor home with black, white. Oh, okay, that one is done. 10th one. I was reading the previous sentence. Which sentence uses the correct order of adjectives? During my college years, I wore a red, white, and black big hat to sporting events. Yeah, okay. During my college years, I wore a big red, white, and black hat to sporting events. Third one. During my college years, I wore a big red, white, and black and black hat to sporting events. Your answer would be during my college years, I wore a big red, white, and a black hat to sporting events. All right. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to prepare with me for the competitive exams or for the government job preparation, whatever you are doing, then we are there to help you out with study materials and live lectures. Also, mock test facilities and doubt clearing sessions. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Let's meet again in my upcoming videos.